Hello Athens, I'm meteorologist Jamie Giles here with your Thursday evening weather report. It is currently 87 degrees here in Athens, and yeah, today has become increasingly dreary. Started out okay, but it has become increasingly cloudy and increasingly rainy, which brings us into tonight. That is only going to continue. Scattered showers, thunderstorms, 72 degrees is the magic number for the low. And looking at the high, it'll creep up to 85 degrees. There are a bunch of showers and thunderstorms expected, but that is going to be overnight. By the time that day breaks and we're in the morning hours where people are awake and commuting places, it will be cleared out by that point. Going ahead, looking at the surface map, we can see in about an hour, Athens is expected to get even more rainfall, and this is going to be a recurring theme throughout the night, not just for Athens, but for the rest of the state. And this is because, as we can see, we have even more rain coming across the Alabama border. This is associated with post-tropical storm Arthur, and it's interacting with a cold front to our north, which is causing a bunch of showers and thunderstorms. And as we can see, even more showers, thunderstorms. That's a notable band going through Atlanta about 10 p.m. on this. And even as we get towards midnight, it's still going through the state. And across the state, several inches of rain are expected, and this brings us into the flood watch because a significant flood threat is apparent here. Going ahead, looking at this, we can see that flash flooding is possible Thursday morning through early Saturday morning. And this means that we are at risk of flooding. So, if you see a flooded road, turn around, don't drown. Keep in mind there is the possibility that urban areas might experience some flooding, and there's also the possibility of minor river flooding, so keep an eye out for that. Also, there is a tornado threat associated with this. That lasts through 11 p.m. tonight, and it is possible for both the flood watch and the tornado watch that they could be extended and pushed further east as well as this system moves throughout Georgia. So when it comes to a tornado watch, this means that tornadoes are possible, and if a tornado warning is issued, you should go to the lowest level of your house and go into an interior room, preferably a basement if you have one. Again, that is if a tornado warning is issued. Weather Dogs is monitoring the situation, and we will be active on socials providing any sort of severe weather coverage necessary as this goes through the state tonight. Looking at the 7-day forecast, we can see consistent 80s as the highs. Nice 60s, 70s as the lows. We can see a break in the rain this weekend. We will need it after what we are about to get tonight. And the rain threat picks up as we go into next week. Once again, it's summer, so of course the rain chances are going to be coming back up pretty quick. I am student meteorologist Jamie Giles. Go Dogs.